I would like to show how easy signals work for ES, S&P futures. We do have users who've been using easy signals for spotting high probability signals for trading ES. So I'd like to go through what we have for today, Monday, June 6th morning. We always start with the higher time frame. And we have the fast magenta moving average below the slow aqua one, and we have a red candle. The price broke below both moving averages, and both moving averages were hooking down. So as soon as we have this red candle broke below, which is like 1295.50, we immediately switch to the lower time frame to see if all easy indicators aligned for a short opportunity. We have a magenta down triangle, which is an entry signal for us to go short. And plus we have the magenta slope hooking down. Momentum down here has been red for some candles. And of course we have the price candle red, and the former candle already closed below the magenta slope. When we have this down triangle, for a little bit aggressive traders, they may choose to enter here around this here. That is when we broke 1295. Okay, so they may choose to enter when this red candle was in progress. For conservative traders, they may wait for the close of this red candle, the one with the down magenta triangle, and they enter here at the open of the next red candle. This short was good for 20 pips. For ES and other currency futures, we suggest the same stop loss and profit target. That is 6 pips for stop loss and 10 pips for the first profit target. As soon as the trade is moving, we will adjust our stop loss according to the small trading dot. For short, we put the stop loss 1 pip above the small trading dot. So as soon as this trade starts working to our favor, upon completion of the candle, we adjust our stop loss. We adjust our stop loss until we have our first target 10 pips around this area. For the remaining lots, you just continue adjusting your stop loss. So the last one will be around here. And as soon as you start seeing something like a green up triangle, momentum down here changed from red to green. We have green candle, and the slope turned to yellow undecided, and then hooking up and became aqua. You may choose to exit when one or most of these green things happened. If not, then you will be taken out when we have this second green candle, because your stop loss was adjusted 1 pip above this last magenta trading dot. So this is for this short. Then you ask me, when we see all those green candles, are we going to look for long? No, because the fast magenta was still below the aqua, even though it's hooking up. When you look at the aqua slow moving average, it did not tell us to go short. It's actually a little bit hooking up and also very flat. And those two moving averages were too far apart. So I wouldn't be considered any long. And instead, I'll be waiting for another short opportunity. It came after 1:30, around 1:30. Again, we have both moving averages hooking down. We have red candle. And this red candle, as soon as price broke below both moving averages around 1293, we immediately switch to the 5 range, the lower time frame, and see whether we have all easy indicators aligned for a short. we have the down triangle here. We have the magenta slope hooking down. We have momentum down here from green to red actually for some time. For aggressive traders, they may choose to enter around this. That is, as soon as we have the down triangle printing, they may choose to enter, mainly because the previous candle was a red one and it closed below the magenta slope. For conservative traders, they will choose to wait until completion of this candle, make sure that it closed below the magenta slope, and they enter at open of this candle. Again, this one was good for more than 10 pips, and we used the same stop loss, 6 pips up there, and then 10 pips for the first profit target. When we look at the 9 range, it has been telling us to go short, so there's no long indicator here. So once we have again the down triangle, we have the slope magenta hooking down, we have momentum down here from green to red, we have red candle, and actually again this one is the same thing. We have it closed already below the slope. So as soon as we have this one, we can enter around this area. It's again more than 10 pips. Same thing once you get off the short, and we have another short opportunity here, and then we have another 10 pips. And when I started recording this one, I was waiting, hoping to have a live signal of a short opportunity. And it's really late now, it's like almost 4. But this one, like we finished this green candles on the 9 range, and as soon as we have this red candle, and then we move to the 5 range, we saw the down triangle, we have the slope yellow by hooking down, and we have the momentum, and we also have the first red candle closed below the slope already. So for aggressive traders, they probably will choose to enter a short when we have this red candle with the down magenta triangle plotting. So they will enter around here 1286.25, and right here is 84.75. So this one so far is like 6 pips, but it's extremely late. It's talking about 5 minutes to 4. So if someone trade really late in the afternoon session, they may just go for a very quick in and out for 4 pips or so, and that should be good. And I wouldn't recommend to stay with a 10 pips profit target when the trade was entered so close to 4. So I hope this one is a good demonstration for you to understand how to use easy signals on ES. And you can tell it's not like as frequent as euro dollars and crude oil, and it did work for today. You can tell very clean, like we see this will be telling us to go short, and then we wouldn't be going long with all those green candles, and rather as soon as we got this red candle with both moving averages cooperating with this indication, we immediately switch to 5 range, the lower time frame, to see if all 4 easy indicators aligned to go short. And then for the occasional green candles, is mainly the warning to tell those who have been short that you may want to get out. And if not, then the stop loss position will, the system will automatically close your position as well if you follow the suggestion to use the small trailing dot to adjust your stop loss. Okay, so see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.